What are you doing? What are you doing on my chair? Move. Come on. Out of the way. Come on. No, you move. No high fives. Come on. You know the law. Come on, move. You're just gonna sit there and troll me, aren't you? What? Yeah, happy that I'm recording you. You're gonna go on YouTube, you know. Yeah. Happy about that? You don't care, do you? You're a very passive dog, you know that? Yep. High five. High five. Oh, good girl. No, no leg. High five. Good girl. Can you please move? No? Why not? Give me the cold shoulder. This is Mindy, everyone. One of my two dogs. And she's not happy with me because I'm telling her to move out of my spot. Does not look happy.